Hello friends, we are learning MCQs of matrices. In our previous videos we have learned 8 MCQs and today we have these 2 MCQs, 9th and 10th. Let us try to solve this 9th MCQ. What is given here? If A is equal to this matrix cos of alpha, sin of alpha, minus sin of alpha, cos of alpha, then a raised to the power 10 is equal to, and these options are given. Now to find a raised to the power 10, we have to first find what is a square, and finding that a square we will get an idea, and from that idea we will create this a raised to the power 10. So let us find first a square. A square is equal to, a square is equal to a into a. So we write here first a cos of alpha, sin of alpha, minus sin of alpha, cos of alpha, into a is equal to cos of alpha, sin of alpha, minus sin of alpha, and cos of alpha is equal to a into a square is equal to. Now this is first row into first column. After that, first row into second column. So let us see what will be it. Cos of alpha into cos of alpha, cos square of alpha, plus sin of alpha into minus sin of alpha, that is minus sin square of alpha. Now first row into second column, cos of alpha into sin of alpha, that is cos of alpha into sin of alpha. After that, sin of alpha into cos of alpha, cos of alpha into sin of alpha, that is cos of alpha into sin of alpha. After that, sin of alpha into cos of alpha, so plus cos of alpha into sin of alpha. Again, now this second row, now second row into first column. After that, second row into second column. So let us see, minus sin of alpha into cos of alpha, we get minus sin of alpha into cos of alpha. After that, cos of alpha into minus sin of alpha, that is minus sin of alpha into cos of alpha. Again, now second row into second column, minus sin of alpha into sin of alpha, which is minus sin square of alpha. Again, cos of alpha into cos of alpha plus cos square of alpha. I write here plus cos square of alpha. So this is a square is equal to this, is equal to, we write here, we have this formula cos square of alpha minus sin square of alpha is equal to cos of twice alpha. After that, this is what, cos of alpha into sin of alpha plus cos of alpha into sin of alpha. So we write here twice, we write it as twice sin of alpha into cos of alpha. Twice means we write it as twice sin of alpha into cos of alpha, which is equal to sin of twice alpha. So directly I write here sin of twice alpha. Again, this is minus sin of alpha into cos of alpha, minus sin of into cos of alpha. So taking, I take here minus sin common, and after minus sin taking common, we have sin of alpha into cos of alpha plus sin of alpha into cos of alpha, which is equal to again twice sin of alpha, and which is equal to sin of twice alpha. So this is sin of twice alpha. After that, this is what, minus sin square of alpha plus cos square of alpha. We consider it as cos square of alpha minus sin square of alpha, and which is equal to cos of twice alpha, like this. So this is what? A square. So A square we have cos of twice alpha, sin of twice alpha, minus sin of twice alpha, cos of twice alpha. Structure of that matrix is just like the structure of the matrix A. Here cos of alpha, cos of twice alpha, sin of alpha, sin of twice alpha, minus sin of alpha, minus sin of twice alpha, cos of alpha, cos of twice alpha. Only at the place of alpha here we have twice alpha. So when a raised to the power 2 we have here, when a raised to the power 2 we have here, structure of the matrix is just like the structure of the matrix A, only what here when a square a raised to the power 2, then twice alpha, twice alpha, twice alpha, twice alpha. So getting an idea from this a square, we will have a raised to the power 10 is equal to what? Cos of 10 alpha, sin of 10 alpha, minus sin of 10 alpha, cos of 10 alpha. So a raised to the power 10 will be, or definitely this is this matrix cos of 10 alpha, sin of 10 alpha, minus sin of 10 alpha, cos of 10 alpha. So see this option, cos of 10 alpha, this cos of 10 alpha, sin of 10 alpha, minus sin of 10 alpha, cos of 10 alpha. So our answer is B. This B. We write its answer as its number 9 B, and it is the matrix cos of 10 alpha, sin of 10 alpha, minus sin of 10 alpha, cos of 10 alpha. Now let us see 10th one. The values of x, y and z for the following system of inequations, and this system of following system of equations, and the system of equations is given here. So for this system of equations we have to find out values of x, y and z, and in the options the values of x, y and z are given. So what we have to do to solve this? So one by one here in such type of problems, one by one we have to check the options. So first check the first option. Here we have these equations. Now put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 in all the three equations. So with the help of, or with the values of x, y and z, all three equations should get satisfied. So put first option, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So first equation we have x plus y plus z, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this first equation gets satisfied. Now after that, let us see second equation. X is equal to 1. After that minus y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 plus, here we have twice z, z is equal to 3, 3 into 2 we will write here 6, which is equal to now 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So it is given 5. So second equation also gets satisfied. Again, let us check third equation. We have first twice x. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 twice x is equal to 2 plus y. Y is equal to 2. Again, minus z, and z is equal to 3. Here 3 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So it is given 1. So third equation also get satisfied. So this option is our answer, A, and we write its answer as 10 A x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So we will see other MCQs in our next videos. Thank you.